Let's take a look at distributed training jobs. With distributed jobs, you can submit training tasks using frameworks like PyTorch, TensorFlow, or other machine learning framework. Our platform helps you distribute these workloads across multiple machines, enabling scalable and efficient training. To set this up, you can use the web UI, which provides a user-friendly interface, or dive into the SDK for more customization. For this demonstration, we'll use the notebook as it already includes a guide on how to use the Bitdeer AI SDK. The first step is to install the Bitdeer AI SDK. While the guide provides detailed instructions, we won't go too deep into them today. The key focus is on creating a training job. Here you'll define the necessary arguments such as the input data and, most importantly, the worker specification. For example, if you want to use NVIDIA H100 GPUs across multiple machines, you'll specify the H100 configuration as part of the worker spec. You'll also define the number of workers and other job-specific details. To proceed, you'll need your project ID, which you can find within AI Studio, and your API key, which is available on your profile page. With these details, you're ready to define and submit your distributed training job. Let's take a quick look to ensure everything is set up correctly. For this example, let's say we want to use two nodes with two workers. Once we've configured the job, we can submit it by running this cell. The job is now being submitted, and you'll see it being processed. Once the job is created, we can head back to AI Studio to verify its status. From the UI, you'll see that the training job is validated and running. Meanwhile, you can continue working on your code without interruption. For instance, you can print the job status to confirm it's running as expected. This seamless process allows you to manage your distributed jobs efficiently while staying productive. You can easily monitor the logs to see real-time updates on the job's progress. Additionally, we offer the Bitdeer AI CLI for streamlined management. To get started, log in using your token and use commands like training list to view all active jobs. As you can see, the job we just submitted is listed here, along with its details. The CLI offers a range of powerful functions to help you manage your workflows efficiently, from tracking jobs to accessing advanced features. This tool provides a convenient way to interact with the platform directly from your terminal.